Hey, everybody, check it out. We've got a really awesome deal for you right here from sharpthings.com and Sharp Things OKC. Come to 6610 North May Avenue in Oklahoma City. If you're in the United States anywhere, you can get us online at sharpthings.com. So, without further ado, we have the Byrna. It is the pepper launcher. This is a very basic kit. It comes in a cardboard box, does not have a holster, does not have any type of zipper bag or anything. They sent these to us by mistake. We tried to get them exchanged. One thing led to another. We ended up not getting them exchanged. So we are going to pass on a heck of a savings to you guys. Let's get into the box real quick. So you're going to get your documentation. Here is a card that you carry. Just let any kind of law enforcement or whoever, let them know that this is not an actual firearm and it is under federal law not considered a firearm. Then in the kit you're going to receive 5 pepper ball projectiles. You'll receive 1 8-gram CO2 cartridge and the launcher itself. This launcher is a little different than some of the other launchers that they have. This one does not have a safety on it. It's got your magazine. It's got the hex head on the end of it so you can open up your CO2 canister area. And with all of them, as soon as you pull the trigger, you actually puncture the CO2 cartridge so it's ready to fire immediately. One thing you will notice whenever you have pepper ball or kinetic launcher in there, it will have this little indicator to let you know that there is a round ready to go. If it's flat like this, you do not have a round in it. If it's up like that, you do have a round. So anyway, now let's get to the price. These things, I believe, normally ran between $300 to $350. We are going to get these out of here for $250. We have 3 of them. That's it. All sales are final. Obviously, the warranty is still going to be covered by Byrna, but we're not going to take any, no returns, no refunds. It is what it is. If you want it, get it. If you're not sure, I suggest you don't get it, just in case, you feel like you maybe could have, gotten something you like better. But again, the Byrna basic launcher. They're all black. We've got 3 of them. They're all black. Get them while you can. Sharpthings.com or Sharp Things OKC at 6610 North May Avenue in Oklahoma City. Give us a call if you'd like at 405-286-2112.